The officials from the income tax department had conducted a raid on one bungalow at Chikalim. The bungalow was named as Vicky's. During their raid, they have seized whatever relevant they found during present in the house. Further, when they were conducting the search, they noticed that the owner of that house, Krishna Das, was involved in betting. So he was, along with his associates, he was accepting bets on the ongoing IPL cricket matches. So when they found that he was involved in betting, so they passed on the information to us. So after their proceedings were over, the Vasco police conducted a Panchanama of the premises, and we have seized laptops, television sets, mobile sets, and other electronic gadgets which were used to accept bets from various bettors. Now we have taken into custody the owner of the bungalow, Mr. Krishna Das, along with him another four persons: Mohammad Mehman from Vasco, Lal Indrani from Nagpur, Ashish Chaurasia, Kunal Sachdev, all from Nagpur. We are going to book an offence under the Gambling Act, and we will arrest all the five accused.